Guys on that chopper.
Chopper's above it right now.
Ah, I see him.
He's still just flying around.
He's got to land sometime.
So do I.
Oh, you know what? I'll chase him. I won't let him land.
Oh, that worked so perfectly.
Oh no, he's leaving.
Is he?
No, that's ours. That's our chopper.
No, he's not. He's not. Trying to spot? Like, what is he doing?
User joined your channel.
What is that?
GG. I asked for backup. I'm asking everybody on my friends list for backup. Matt Kamishova.
38, right?
Yep.
Y'all just gonna camp in the woods? I don't know. Do they know if you're there? Oh yeah, they do, because y'all killed one of them.
Stealth could have spotted us.
I poop on some kids for you.
I don't have eyes from here, Tyler.
Crash that car on the roof. Crash that car on the roof.
You want me to? I was gonna try and swing it into their heli.
Oh, do that.
Yeah, do that.
He's just sitting there. He's just sitting there.
Where is he? No,
Right
the
down below
heli.
me. Right below me. Right below me.
Well, the rest is up. Alright, JT.
Are we fine with the collateral? Are we fine with the collateral?
I mean, like, YOLO.
Not our heli, though.
Well, if he hits it with a car, it might blow our heli. Try. He's still. Go for it.
I've seen people throw cars into.
Oh! Oh, the car went under him and I went over him.
Wow.
Just be
Oh,
careful.
you.
The car
Go for it
explosion
again.
might blow up your heli.
Oh, if he gets up, I have a shot, by the way.
When he finds me, he's gonna get up.
Oh, that was so close.
I shot like his ring was 100 over one shot.
Alright, I'm at the very, very small island at Kamishova for pickup later.
Alright.
Okay, hold on.
We don't have enough time.
Oh, don't go get him. Don't go get him. Watch where that heli goes now.
Yeah.
Does the server restart
Yeah.
with the doors unlocked now?
Yep.
Yep.
Wait, we'll take a risk. You follow the chopper till it lands, drop the car on it.
Yep. That's what you should do.
Worst comes to worst, just crash into the buttons.
Where did it go?
Because we are at.
It's still here. Still here.
I know it's still here, but where is it?
Where am I trying to go right now? So that I know.
Just get ready for pickup to restart.
I know, but what direction am I heading?
North. Northeast. Northwest.
Machinko.
Machinko.
It's in Mishkino, the
Yep.
haven is?
Yep.
Alright.
Yep.
All I needed.
You see him? You see him?
Yeah, I see him.
I could push the
Go
building.
for him. He's
but-
low. He's low.
Feel low. What's he doing? Alright, oh, is he landing? Landing.
Chasing me. He's chasing me.
Oh, you shoot
Where's the hunter?
Being shot at.
Watch your hull.
It's orange.
I need him to stop moving.
The driver has no toolbox.
Oh, if the guy, he just crawled. I saw him, Tyler. He's looking for you.
I'm not in a position to
Okay, well,
Hole's red. Hole's red.
Here we go. Ah!
Oh, he got
You
him!
got him.
What? Holy
What'd you get?
Get wrecked, bitches! I still have the car too.
I'm gonna make sure they died. I'm gonna make sure they died. How much time do we have?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wait, hold on.
Go.
You hit him with the car?
Yeah, I know.
We're dead. We're both dead.
We got one guy to worry about, thanks.
I was fucking convinced I blew up in that. Like my screen
Alright,
went pure white.
Can you go southwest and land so you can pick